everyone, this is Shami from Rextheme. In this video, I will show you how you can assign a swatch type to variation attributes easily. So basically, for product variations, you'll probably have a few variation attributes created under product attributes. So after you enable drop down to button swatch in the plugin, the next thing to do is to assign a swatch type in order to ensure that the product variants are shown in the form of swatches. So let's get started. The first thing first, make sure the drop down to button swatch option is enabled in the controls menu. Now go to product and click onto attributes. So here you will find list of attributes you already have created on your store on the right side. So to assign a swatch type to an attribute, hover your mouse on the attribute name and click on edit. So it will take you to the edit attribute page. So here below, you'll get an option called type. Click on it and choose an attribute type. So if you want to use color swatch for the variance of the attribute, then choose the type as color. Or if you want to use image swatches for the variance of the attribute, then choose the type as image. Or if you want to use label swatches, then choose the option label. Let me choose color for now. Then click on to update button. Now let's get back to the attribute page. I assigned the color type to this attribute, so you can see the type is color now. Next, you can go to the configure terms and assign swatches to each of the variant terms. But I will show you this in the next video. Until then, take care.